We got a no tarp load, so that's pretty cool. It delivers Monday, so I actually will be home for the weekend, and I leave out Sunday. First thing Sunday morning. Use your legs.
We confident, they don't know about us, yeah. They only knew who we was,
Just got done on my post trip. Got this thing in here. We're dropping off tomorrow. Belly wrap 2 times. Belly wrap 2 times. Yeah. No cap. I'm starting to like OTR. Cause I'm parked for the night. And guess what? Right across the street. Main event. I think I want to do a little solo drinking bowling. Yeah. You gotta make this shit more than what it is. If you make it more than what it is, it wouldn't even feel like a job. Feel like a fucking ongoing vacation. You just got little butts and stuff that you got to do to secure that you can keep traveling. If you look at it that way. But yeah. So I made it to the shipper with a con. Waiting on them to give me directions to go so I can take the straps off and unload. That's a wrap for my first load. Pretty cool, pretty easy. This is the location. I don't know what they building, but this is how my first load went. It's pretty much done. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, drop a comment. Peace.